If you've forgotten your itch.io password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it step by step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. This is a simple process, and it only takes a few minutes. Whether you use itch.io for buying games, uploading projects, or managing your indie game profile, resetting your password is easy once you know where to click. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software and website guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the itch.io website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button and click it. This will take you to the sign-in page where you normally enter your account details. Now, since you can't remember your password, find the Forgot Password link and click that instead. This tells itch.io that you need to start the password reset process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address linked to your itch.io account. Make sure you type the correct email because the reset instructions will be sent there. After entering your email address, click Send Reset Link. At this point, switch over to your email inbox. Check the same inbox connected to your itch.io account and look for a new message from itch.io. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check your spam, promotions, or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. Once you find the email, open it and click the reset link inside. That link will bring you to a page where you can choose a new password for your account. Now enter a strong new password that you can remember, but that is also secure. For the best results, use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. Then confirm the password if the site asks you to type it again. After that, save your changes. Once the password has been updated, you should be able to log into your itch.io account with your new password right away. If everything worked, go back to the login page and sign in to make sure your new password is active. And just like that, your itch.io password has been reset successfully. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. I post easy guides that help you solve common account and software problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.